Hello, dear students. Today we will be discussing about life sciences, a topic that spreads greenery in our entire world. And in this pandemic of COVID, we get to know more about the importance of this greenery. हमें हरियाली की importance और ज़्यादा पता चल गई है. When we see that people are suffering from deficiency of oxygen level, the oxygen of people are getting down. And what is the biggest source of oxygen on our earth apart from natural oxygen? Green plants, yes, of course. So let's study about green plants today. Let's study about greenery. The topic is given on page number 263, botany. It's common for both class 7th and 8th. Botany is a part of biology, of course. It's a part of science in which we study about plants, green plants, okay, and other such plants. And there is one more branch of biology, that is zoology, in which we study about human beings as well as about other animal kingdom. So we have divided biology into two main branches, botany and zoology. So today we'll be covering some parts of botany. We will start with the variety of plants that we see around us that are available in the nature. The classification that we discuss today, that we will be going to discuss today, it is based on the availability of flowers and seeds. As we know, फ्लावर इज अ कॉमन थिंग इन प्लांट्स. हम लोग देखते हैं पेड़ पौधों पर फूल आते हैं सुंदर सुंदर. देर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्ड फ्लावर्स. So we have divided this plant kingdom as per the appearance of flowers on them. So first one is cryptogams. Cryptogams are the variety of plants on which flowers are not at all visible. They do not bear a flower. उन पर फूल नहीं आते. And seeds are entirely hidden. You can't see the seed by your naked eyes. Okay, means whatever the reproduction happens, whatever the food they produce, that is internal to them. Fine. Next category is gymnosperm. The examples of gymnosperm is coniferous, cyads and ginkgo. These type of plants, gymnosperms, has uncovered seeds. Means their fruit structure is as such कि हमें देखने में ऐसा लगेगा it's just literally a seed. Whatever the part that is coming out as a fruit on the plant, जो भी fruit जैसा हमें plant पर दिखाई देगा, वो बिल्कुल देखने में ऐसा लगेगा as if it's a seed. Seed means बीज, जिससे कि एक नया plant germinate होता है. Okay. The third variety is, and one of the most common variety, it's angiosperm. Angiosperm is the widest variety of plants found on our earth. It has lakhs and lakhs of different types of species. These are common plant, simple plant that we see, that we expect. ये वो plants होते हैं जिन पे flowers भी आते हैं, which bear fruits also, and which of course have seeds also. In my notes which I have given to you, I have also provided you the pics regarding these three different categories. Okay. In this same video, in the next page, I will be discussing about plant morphology. Okay, so be with the video and try to understand what this plant morphology is. Okay, students, let's see the plant morphology. See, actually, plant morphology means कि whatever we are able to see in the plant externally, हमें एक plant में, एक पौधे में बाहर से जो जो चीजें दिखाई देती हैं, the visible parts of the plant, that is actually called as plant morphology. So let's see what are the things visible. Of course, a plant when it grows, when it is in the initial stage, it has a stem. It has a stem. Okay, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, तना भी बोलते हैं. फ्रॉम दिस स्टेम मेनी ब्रांचेस गेट स्कैटर्ड. ओके, छोटी छोटी ब्रांचेस निकल के आती हैं जिसको हम टहनियां भी बोलते हैं. आफ्टर स्टेम वी हैव लीव्स. ओके, वी हैव लीव्स. वी हैव लीव्स इन अ प्लांट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स one of the most essential thing for a plant to be grown is root. We have root by which a plant take care of its nutrition, जिससे plant को पानी provide होता है और other nutrients provide होते हैं. If a plant is a healthy grown up plant, okay, healthy grown up plant, fruit bearing plant, flower bearing plant, it initially bears what? Flowers. It gives flowers. एंड आफ्टर अ पर्टिकुलर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम, जब एक प्लांट किसी सर्टेन एज लेवल पे पहुंच जाता है, इट बिकम्स ओल्डर, इट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट गिविंग व्हाट? fruits. It also start bearing fruits. So dear students, this is all about the plant morphology. Okay, it is all about the plant morphology, the basic parts which you can see from our naked eyes: the flowers, the stem, the fruits, the leaves, and the roots. And this below part is under the ground. These roots are often hidden under the soil. ये नीचे soil के रहती हैं, so that ये अपनी water requirements और other nutrients को पूरा कर सकें. So this was all about today's botany lecture, plant morphology and the types of plant which I have covered. I hope आप लोग को थोड़ा idea मिल गया होगा. You would have got a better understanding about this plants and all. Okay, thank you so much. We will be soon back again with more innovative knowledge and topic. Jai Hind.